Students, today I am going to explain you the topic active passive voice. Before explaining this active passive voice, the rules of active passive voice, I want to tell you what is active passive voice. Active means when any person is speaking, is any conversation and actively, that is called active. And when the person use that sentence in passive way, the meaning will be same, but in passive way when he will speak or she will speak, that is called passive voice. So here today I am going to tell you which kind imperative type of active passive. Before telling the rule of imperative type of active passive voice, I want to tell you what is imperative type of the sentences. If you want to recognize imperative type, how can you recognize this? When in the sentence you can see there is an order, you will observe order, request or advice will be there, that is called imperative type of the sentences. So these sentences, when you can use that, what is the rule? Firstly, example, clean the room, clean this room. The example I have given you here, clean this room. How can you change into passive voice? We don't have any subject. Firstly, in simple type of the active passive voice, we were using this. Firstly, subject, object we were taking. Object is there, we have the object, but we don't have the subject. So how can we use? Firstly, we will use let word. Let word you will use by self. In this type of the sentence, we will use let word. Then we will use object. Then we will use to be. This word you will take by self, to be. Then for third form of verb, because in passive voice we are using verb third form. So here we will use third form of verb. It means past participle. Past participle we will use here. So we are going to use this sentence into passive voice. Let, then object, this room, then to be, what the word is clean. So the past participle is cleaned. The past participle is cleaned. Let this room to be cleaned. Next, one more type you can use this sentence. Start the sentence, you are ordered. When there will be order, it can be also advice. This is not only the order, this can be also advice. So you can also write you are advised. Then you will use to. Then this sentence you will use here, to clean this room. Same sentence you will use here. This is called imperative type, and we can use how to change the passive voice. Firstly, we will use let. This is the first type. You can use like use like this. Let this room, object you have to take, to be cleaned. And you can use like this. This is a simple way. You are ordered to, when the request will be there. One more request one I am giving you. Please help the poor. This is the request because someone is helping. So I have told you let, then object, then to be, then third form. It means past participle we will use. How to use? Help the poor. Please help the poor. Please help the poor. It is a request here. It means this is a request. Please help the poor. It is a request because please word they have used. Please is showing. Please and kindly, two words are there which shows. This is the request one sentence is there. It means imperative type of the sentence. So please we will cut at the time. Let plus object plus to be plus verb third form. So when you use this, let the poor, the object is the poor. Let the poor to be, and help third form, helped. It's a past participle form. Let the poor to be helped. This is the passive voice we have used. And you can also use like this. You are requested to help the poor. This is a simple way to use the sentence. You can use this way, this is also right, and you can use this way also. Both are right. So one more thing is there, when you will find this type of the sentences, don't tell a lie. When the negative sentence will be there, how to use this type of the sentences? You are advised. Then how to use? To note. You will use note to. Firstly, note. Before to you will use note. Before to we will use note, because to we are using after first form. It is called the infinitive type of the sentence. So according to the rule, we will use the first form. After to we will use first form, not to tell a lie. This type. If you will use to not, then first form will be there. It is not the appropriate and right, correct one. You are advised not to, because after to we are using the first form. It's called the infinitive type. Not to tell a lie. Or one more type is there, you can use this sentence. Let, start the let word, the sentence from the let word. Let a lie, the object is lie. Let a lie, because the sentence was don't tell a lie. So here we will start from the let word. Let a lie not to be told. Third form is told. So we will use like this. Thank you so much.